In this video, I'm going to show you how to see first Instagram message in the chat without scrolling. That is quite a nice feature of Instagram and you have to know that. So first open up your Instagram and go into your DMs. Now you can open any conversation, and if you want to see the oldest message of that conversation, you can scroll down like that until the chat is loaded, and you will get all your chat history right there. But you can use this simple trick to go to the first message of that conversation. You can just tap there at the status bar right on time. And now you see the chat was scrolled to the very old conversation without scrolling this chat like that. So that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.